right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the front clip here, this is wrapped in PPF paint protection film, the entire fender, front bumper, headlights, hood, as well as the side mirrors. Looking at this wheel, it's in great condition. I don't see any curb rash. They did a really good job on the PPF here. That fender looks good. Side mirror looks awesome. That A-pillar looks good. The door looks good, as well as the lower rocker. I do see a chip right here on the edge of that blade. The rest of the blade is in great condition. Lower rocker looks good. Quarter panel looks awesome. I don't see any curb rash on this wheel. Got the wheel locks. I'm looking at the roof. Got the exposed carbon. Kind of scanning through that. I don't see any imperfections that stand out. Then looking at the front end, like I said, full front clip PPF, and that is over the graphic as well, protecting it. That looks good. Headlight looks awesome. All of this is super clean. This is all wrapped as well, including this little blade. I do see a little rock impact right here, a couple small ones. That looks really good. I see a small spot here that has some rash on it. And I see a little bit right there. And a small amount here, all very subtle. Here on the front side, all of that looks good. Plastic is nice and clean. I do see a little marking right here. And then looking at that PPF, you can see how good they tucked these edges. They have that relief cut there and on those edges. Very, very good job. All right, checking out the driver's side. Looking at the fender. All of that looks good. I don't see any imperfections that stand out. That wheel's in great condition. Calipers look good. Mirror's clean. A-pillar looks good. Kind of scanning through this. I don't see anything there. Looking at the blade here, that edge is really clean. That door looks good. Lower rocker's clean. And the depth of this paint is beautiful. You can tell it was paint corrected. That wheel looks good. Here on the back side, we'll start with the deck lid here. Looks really good. The spoiler's clean. There's really not much to pick apart on this car. Taillights look good. All this trim is perfect. Looking in the trunk, all this carpet looks perfect. Got the cargo net here. The engine bay looks good, got all the carbon. Then scanning the underside here. Looks really clean. You do have a little imperfection there. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Still smells brand new. All of that's perfect. I don't see any separation. Got the memory seating. Beautiful carbon inserts here. That looks awesome. That red looks good. I don't see any scuffs. So pretty much that panel is absolutely perfect. Here on this trim, you're going to see a couple tiny little scuffs here. A couple on the plastic. Carpet looks good. I do see a little bit of transfer here, a little discoloration. It's very minor. And a little bit right there. It's very subtle though. Upper section looks good. All of that looks nice. Got the leather here with the red stripe, nice and clean. All of this looks good. That's perfect. I don't see any separation anywhere on the upper side of the dash. That screen is good. Got the front lift, all the carbon. The only flaw I see is right there. There's a little scuff. Other than that, this thing looks really, really good. Here on the passenger door panel, all of that leather's good. Got the carbon inserts. The red is very clean. I don't see any scuffs here on that lower section. Now looking at this trim, you're gonna see a couple tiny scuffs right here. Very minor though. Plastic looks good. Carpets are nice and clean. Very little wear on that bolster. And all of that looks good as well. Got the carbon here on the backs. Rest of that seat looks nice. All of that trim looks good. I don't see any separation on the leather. The upper side looks good.